Welcome back to more HARBRO Freight, and today I'm going to go over some more recent price changes. I did a video a couple weeks ago where I went over some of the price changes to see if there was something changing in the wind, but it was hard to tell. But today seems a little bit more clear, at least with some items, but not all items. But anyways, we'll jump into it. Some of the more clear price changes that have happened here in the last week, starting with the Pittsburgh 2-ton low profile floor jack with rapid pump. So this is listed as what, 140, which doesn't seem too bad. This is one of those ones that tends to have a decent deal when it does go on sale, but it's listed at 140, but it does show a change recently on the 18th. And I want to say all of these had this change in the last couple of days when throughout its history, starting in 2023, it was steadily at $119.99 and would go down for a sale. And you could see the regular drop in prices, but it always go back up to its $119 original price, which tends to be normal. Prices do change, but then here on the 18th of April, 2025, it's gone up to $139.99. So a 17% increase, $20 increase here in the last week. So not extremely noticeable, but definitely a good chunk raise in price. Another one. So this one hits pretty hard because this is one of the, I would say, one that I'm constantly looking out for to see if there's a deal for it. And so now, at least we're going to be aware of the price change if you don't already see it. And at least when there's a deal, we'll be able to compare against what the old price was. So this is listed at $399.99. It's the Badland 3-ton off-road jack, a very popular jack. And there's supposed to be, I don't want to say a mini jack, but a smaller version of this jack coming out this year, I believe. It was one that was shown at SEMA of last year. So my thought was that this would go down in price, being that they have a new one coming out. But as we can tell, it's gone up to $399.99, or if you weren't aware, it's at $399.99 compared to, this change did happen, the same thing on the 18th, and it's been listed at, before that, at $320 since October of 2023. And actually, interestingly enough, it came out Black Friday of 2022 at $300, and it stayed at that price for about a year, and they raised its price. So price changes are not unusual. Price changes do happen. Prices do go up based on popularity, different things. But I will say, at least in the time that I've been tracking these items, I haven't seen so many drastic price changes at once on a lot of the popular items. So this has gone from $319.99 since October of 2023 and now up to $400 for the Badland 3-ton off-road jack. So something to keep in mind. Next, this is a new product. So this one isn't necessarily a price change due to anything besides sometimes new products get repriced. As you can kind of tell with the 3-ton off-road jack, they raised it in price, maybe to meet the demand, but nonetheless, this is the Predator 350 watt power station, 294 watt hour capacity. Pretty exciting that Predator and Harbor Freight have come out with these power stations, and it's listed at $279.99. And according to the price history, not too long a history, came out December 2024 at $200 even. I think a power station that people have been keeping a close eye on to see if it was worth that price. I know I was looking at these, trying to figure out if $200 was worth it, maybe wait for a sale. But now, as of April 18th, it's gone up to $280. So a 40% increase in price from its original. So that one's a tough pill to swallow because an $80 increase is 40%. The best coupons tend to be 40% off. So this feels like if you got this beforehand, you're getting the best deal. Anytime after this, only going to be paying the original price from when it came out. It is what it is. $199 to $280. We move on. The Hallmaster, another new item, which again, items do change prices, but the Hallmaster 2,000 pound capacity, 5 foot by 10 foot custom modular utility trailer, listed at $1299.99. And this one I did have memorized. This one I knew what it was, but we'll look at it together. When it came out this year in January, it was listed at $1,000 even, $1,000. And there was a lot of 10%, 15% coupons that were going on the last few months. You could get this easily. Looks like there was even a deal in March for $900 recently. Easily get it for $900 or $850 if you use the 15% coupon on this. But this has now gone up to $1299.99. So even if you got a 10% coupon on this, you're only going to be saving $130, maybe close to $200 if you get 15%, but that's still going to be $1,100. So $1,100 with the 15% coupon is just, yeah, it's an increase of $300 on this trailer. So this one's a little bit tough. Pretty big increase, 30% increase on the Hallmaster 2,000 pound capacity custom modular trailer. And we keep going. The next are all going to have the same theme. These are all going to be Daytona jacks, Daytona floor jacks. And this is the one that also is very popular compared to the Snap-on FJ300, the Daytona 3-ton low-profile Super Duty floor jack with rapid pump, candy apple, metallic red. It's listed at $299.99, available in purple, orange, yellow, and at $300. This is still an amazing deal compared to the FJ300, which is over $1,000, but still $299.99. These have been listed at $289 for a while. This goes across all the Super Duty low profile Daytona floor jacks. Since 2022, it's been at $290 and stayed there pretty steadily. Of course, there's been price drops and of course there's been deals, but for the first time in about 3 years, it's gone up. Not too much, it says 3% increase, but still an increase to $299.99. But you can see there was price changes on this early on, maybe again due to its popularity, but it came out at $229.99. $230 was the original price for this. And it quickly shot up to $270, and I would say pretty quickly went up to the $290 where it stayed at for a few years, but now it has gone up in price. And I did want to compare just the purple, metallic purple Super Duty floor jack because this has a little bit more recent history because this color is relatively new. So it shows August 2023, $289. So it just shows that consistent price over the last year and a half, almost 2 years, and it has gone up to $299. So $10 increase from the price that it was consistently at over the last couple years. Then of course the sales. And then just these other Daytona floor jacks, a 3-ton low profile professional floor jack with rapid pump, $200, 3-ton low profile. This one has seen a lot of price changes, so it could just be what's in line. But what all these items have in common is that they are at their highest price that they've ever been. See the fluctuations, see prices going down, maybe trending down at one point, but not anymore. So this has gone from $180 as of April 2024 up to $200 as of April 18th, 2025. Now, it had been up to $190 as recently as March of last year, but it was down to $180 for about a year. Now it's back up to $200. So 11% increase there. The 3-ton professional floor jack with rapid pump orange listed at $180. This has gone from $160 as of April of last year up to $180 as of April of this year. And again, highest price that it's been at, considering this came out at $137.99 back in March of 2021. Then we have the 3-ton long reach low profile professional floor jack with rapid pump, $270. This is the 3-ton low profile long reach, $270. Was pretty consistently since April of 2022, listed at $240. $240 since April of 2022, and now up to $270. So $30 increase. And again, same thing, highest price that it's been at, which I don't know. Is that normal? Should we expect prices to constantly go up? I guess so, maybe. And then just the last one, the Daytona 4-ton professional floor jack with rapid pump. This is listed at $270. And this has seen a price increase. Same thing in April of 2022. They saw a price increase. It was at $240 from $230. And now it's going from $240 to $270 as of April 2025. So all that to say, there's some price increases. This is Hazard Fraught, going over recent price changes, and it'll color code the product based on whether the price has gone up or down. And red means it's gone up in price. Green means it's gone down in price. And all their recent price changes, which is a little bit subjective, but recent price changes are all in the red, about 10%. Different ones, 30, 15, 5. Touchscreen, high-vis, polyurethane coated work gloves. Those have gone down in price. We have some gloves that are down in price. But you see the theme, a lot of red across the board. I'll leave it at that. We'll be tracking these price changes to see what kind of deals we're getting. A little surprising to see some of these increase in prices on the more popular items, but maybe I shouldn't be. What do you think? Hopefully you find these useful. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.